This is my darling. That's what I call her, darling. She and I have had many opportunities to play, sometimes visiting an older person who's experiencing isolation. Or when families come with children, that ignites my play. Or even a self-esteem group for women. Darlin reminds them that they were lovable, capable, and resilient, and that hadn't changed. No. So, what do you do to ignite your play? Recently, a friend of mine, Brandi Heather, gifted me with her book, Return to Play. And it is full of benefits of play and many options around how you can ignite your play in your everyday life. What does she tell us? Based on research, that play is good for our mental and physical and our social well-being. When we're in play, we can feel free to take risks, whether they're small little ones or big ones, that we can play with our mistakes, take our errors, and be flexible with them. Indeed, flexibility, creativity, and innovation often go with one another. Play also has an element of inclusiveness, welcoming others into the play, especially when it's free-form, flexible kind of play. Rather than the trivial pursuit with right and wrong answers, what about simply playing in the kitchen to get a meal ready? Or what about pulling out some paper and crayons or pastels and playing with scribbles? What about leaving behind the Lego kits and just exploring what you can do with Lego? Actually, there's a whole movement now for using Lego as a creative means and team building. We'll take a look at that. So how can we reignite that attitude of playfulness, whether it's cranking up the music, grabbing our sweetheart and having a little spin around the dining room floor as if it is a ballroom floor? That's the attitude of play. Play will help you with your mindset. It will take away perfectionism. It will take away judgment. It will take away that nattering in your head of self-talk that's critical. It will allow you to just explore the world. Pick a flower, sniff it, and do a little dance. Adapt some play. And if you're stuck, you just might want to find yourself a copy of Return to Play.